Hi, Elaine here with WTI. And one thing I don't like to travel without is my personal diffuser. When you are traveling, you're going to face many different smells and they might not be nice. So I've recently traveled to Europe and I was able to use my diffuser before the airplane, while I was in different restaurants. I was a little bit close to a bathroom, so I really enjoyed having this with me. And this diffuser is so compact that you can use it when you can't bring a diffuser with you. You can always have this personal diffuser and just spruce up the area where you're sleeping and give yourself a nice scent before you go to bed. It's easy to use, to fill up, and you can tell that it's not very loud. It's very soft. The little steam is so powerful for this little guy that fits right in your hand. You will enjoy it. I love it, but that's just my point of view.